How to level up fast in Stumble guys. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can level up fast in Stumble guys. So without further ado, let's get started. Now you can level up fast in Stumble guys by focusing on best ways to earn XP. So the first is by grinding quick round events. You must want to play special single round or 1v1 events like fast elimination or specialized mini games instead of standard multi-round knockout queues, because they reduce loading screen downtime and let you farm much XP and stars rapidly. Second is by completing the Stumble Pass. Basically, advancing through the tiers of the pass provides the bulk of leveling milestones and bonus rewards. You might also want to clear out daily missions. So whatever missions that you get daily on a daily basis, you want to make sure to clear out all of this for rewarding tokens as well. And you want to maximize your playtime in rounds. If you survive further into regular rounds or secure top placements, your end of match XP and star payouts scale higher. And these are a couple of ways you can use to level up faster in Stumble guys. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.